Do you have unwanted text which you need to remove from your image but you don't know how to do it? I'll show you a simple way of removing or deleting the text from your images using Canva, and it will only take you a couple of clicks. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's start right away. I'm going to open a blank Canva design and then I'll import an image which I've created. And you can see that it has this text right here, but I don't want that. So, in order to remove this text from my image, all I have to do is to tap on the image to select it, then locate and click on this little Edit option right here. The next thing which we will do is define this Magic Studio section, and we will be using one of the tools from the Magic Studio. Keep in mind that this is available for Canva Pro users. So if you don't have Canva Pro, you can easily start a free trial and get Canva Pro for free for a period of 30 days. And I'll make sure to leave a video tutorial link in the description of this video, so you can access it from there. I already have Canva Pro, and I'll just tap on this Magic Grab tool right here. Then make sure that this Click section is selected. And what we now need to do is to select the text in the image, which we need to remove. I will click on one letter at a time until the whole text which I want to remove is selected. I'll also remove this flag sticker because I want my image to be clean. When we make the selection, click on this Grab option, and then wait a few seconds until Canva analyzes the picture and isolates the text. As you can see, I can now move my text over the screen, make it bigger or smaller if I need to, or I can just tap on the little trash can icon in order to delete the text from my photo completely. But that's essentially how we can remove text from our images using Canva. If this video helped you out, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone, and I will see you soon.